Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can clear your chat on Messenger, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have this chat that I made with my own test account, and I'll be using this to explain to you guys how you can clear the chat. Now, as you can see, I have a few messages that I have unsent, and this is one option on what you have to do. Just click on any message you want, tap and hold, click on more with the three dots, click remove, and click unsend. Now this will unsend the message, however the unsent message prompt still appears. To remove this, you just want to tap and hold, click remove for you, and remove again, and as you can see, it'll be removed for you. Now the other person will still see the you unsent a message prompt, however that will pretty much stay until they delete it themselves, and that is not your concern. As you can see, this has cleared up the chat, and this is how you can clear up your chat manually if you want to. Now if you want to clear the entirety of the chat completely in one button press, you want to go into your chat menu, then tap and hold on the chat that you want, then click delete, and then just click delete again, and as you can see, the chat is gone. This will clear it completely. However, you can still chat with that person by going to search and starting a chat with them. You just won't see any messages in there as far as I'm aware, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.